First, on-demand design and simulation in linear motor and DD Deskin, and served with frame advanced simulation structural optimization. Second, a trussed gantry structure and control system 1, high precision and stability 2, high speed response and dynamic performance 3, high performance control algorithms 4. Simplified structure and high reliability. Robust frame to replace the traditional marble platform 1, avoid resonance risks 2, improve welding precision 3, optimize structural stiffness and lightweight design 4, evaluate joint stiffness and component coordination. The last but not least, 1. All parts are precision machined via CNC and inspected using a coordinate measuring machine 2. Guide rail installation is aligned using a dial indicator to ensure straightness 3. Laser interferometry is used to verify the motion accuracy of the axis 4. Dial indicators are used throughout the entire machine assembly process.